Governor Wike have declared PDP youth leader wanted and to demolish hotels in Rivers. The Rivers State government on Sunday declared Mr. Princeway Osaro Ijiji, the People's Democratic Party PDP's youth leader in Eleme local government area, wanted. This was contained in a statement issued in Port Harcourt by Mr. Paulinus Isirim, the State Commissioner for Information and Communications. The statement said that Osaro Ijiji was declared wanted by the state government over his alleged involvement in criminal activities. It said that 5 million naira would be given to anyone who provide a reliable information that will lead to Osaro Ijiji's arrest. The state government also said that 2 hotels, Prudent Hotel at Alode, Eleme, and Etemiti Hotel in One, will be demolished for allegedly flaunting government directives on the closure of hotel. Recall that Governor Wike recently ordered the closure of all hotels operating in the state as a way of curbing the spread of COVID-19 in the state. This is a very serious one coming out from the executive governor of Rivers State, Wike, for declaring a member of his party wanted for flaunting the lockdown directive and is going to demolish 2 hotels. This just go to show that Wike is not joking and is really serious when he says he's going to deal with offenders and is not even leaving members of his party out of this. It just shows how prudent and how meticulous he's ready to do this, all for the safety of his people. No wonder the people of Rivers are singing praise of him for the good work he's doing, especially to keep the coronavirus in the case at 0. That is all we can give you for now, and I hope to give you more updates as they keep coming. You can also be part of this discussion by sharing your thoughts and your opinion with us at the comment section. Thank you.